people ask, what have you done lately?
Singing in the rain.
My mind runs to achievements. Errands done, lists ticked off, busy little tasks I can point to. But I never answer with the quiet things I'm actually proud of. How I didn't give up on a very dark day. How I apologized when my ego wanted to win. How I chose kindness over being right. Those don't get certificates, but they are proof of who I am. You are not only what you've accomplished, you are also the you that exists when no one is watching. That quiet version of you is just as worthy of love, just as entitled to rest, as the one the world remembers to applaud.
There you go. Turn around. There you go. Bam.